What's up, you? Yeah, you on the tube. Back at it, man. Let me go into this garage and see what I can accomplish today. Let me show y'all what I have completed so far. Pulled the whole harness out. Kept the harness so I can keep the connectors, just in case I have to connect those to the new wires, new harness. Okay. Let's see. All right, this is what I was worried about, you guys. When I had my alarm put on here, this is what the fucking dickhead electrical people did. They fucked all this up, man. Screwed this up, so I'm gonna have to take these out and put them in it in another connector. I got to take those out anyway, but I'm gonna redo all of these, solder these all the way. I'm gonna leave whatever is not broken alone and resolder all of this stuff back together so I can connect it to the other one. But other than that, I got all these wires loose. I got them all pulled out without damaging a lot. This is the Dakota Digital. I left that alone. All right, let's work on. Let's see how I'm gonna set y'all up here so y'all can see what's going on. I'm gonna take these out. Then I'm gonna get back with y'all. Let me get these out first. Okay guys, I got this little, this is my turn signal switch. I'm just gonna, this goes in like this, like so. This goes in like that. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fix these. Make this look a little neater, and that'll be my first step, fixing this column turn signal switch. All right, y'all, give me a second. Okay, you on the tube. I got a soldering kit, some pliers. I'm trying to make it neat around here. Get all this trash out the way. I thought I was gonna need these needles to take these pins out, but I got this. It works. Everything works. So then I got some soldering, lead-free solder. Okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna fix this right here. All these different. Some electrical tech screwed my shit up when I was getting an alarm put on here. So now I gotta repair it. And let's see what I can do. Okay, y'all, I can't hold the camera and repair this at the same time, but I'm gonna show y'all what I've done afterwards. I'm gonna just clip it, resolder it, and put some of these things on there to make it look a little neat. All right, y'all, in a minute. Okay, you guys, I connected this one. It's one down. And I got what? Damn, it's hot. This is one down. With a turn signal. Got, well, 1, 2. Well, I don't have to do this wire. Well, this one needs to be fixed. 1, 2, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more to go. All right, y'all. All right, if y'all can see that right there, taking it one step at a time. I'm gonna show y'all the finished product. Getting hot, y'all. Got like 2 more to go. This one and another one. This thing take forever. All right, 1 more wire to go, and we can wrap it up. Y'all see what we got? I'm gonna make it look all, you know, a little neater than that. All right, this is how I wrapped up my turn signal switch. Switch on the column. Got them all fixed and loomed up, so it'll stay right under there like that. Once I get everything situated. All right. What's next, guys? Make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe. Here it is. I'm still here, y'all. Decided to go ahead and pull up this old wiring right here. Let's look at all that old wire. Pretty easy, man. Just pull it. Or I can cut it. Now I know where to get it from. That's speaker wire. This is speaker wire right here. I'm gonna leave this. All this right here is the harness. I'll pull that up. All that's going. I'm gonna have to clip it right here. It looks like this is just going to the seats. Underneath the seat. All this going right here, going to the back. Let's see. Yep. All these old wires. Ain't no use to them no more. Okay. So I gotta pull this side panel off. All right, I guess let's get to it. Okay, guys. I done got the wires from here to here. These go to the back. Hopefully I can probably like pull them from the back, or maybe I just gotta, I don't know, I gotta take this back part off and get this shit, man. I have to take the back of this off and get it and kind of run some wires back there. Okay, YouTube, I think I just about got all the wiring pulled. So it wasn't so bad since it was all fucked up and shit. But that's all the wiring. It's all a piece of crap. Only reason why I kept it is for these connectors. ignition connectors and neutral safety switches and all that old bullshit. Next video, I'll be laying this out, pulling it out, and kind of like routing it in the car and looming things. I appreciate y'all watching. Make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe. I'll be doing a lot of work in this garage. Subscribe. All right, I'm out. Peace.